Use your undo history in many ways to restore or edit your model. Hold the Control key and click on any undo history state to store your surface into memory. The history state will turn white as visual indication. Now return to the current state in your undo history. Next, select and use the history recall brush to return portions of your mesh to the stored history state. Project your stored history state onto other subtools. After clicking on the history state to store, select the new subtool. Next, navigate to the bottom of the subtool palette and expand the Project tab. Press the Project History button to project your stored history state onto this subtool. Increase the range of your projection by using the distance slider here. Next, enable the farthest button here and press the Project History button to process. This is a great way to transfer surface details between editing the topology of your meshes.